Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Digital Marathon series of videos where we are going to ask you 42 challenges, and we already have asked 8 challenges in the past. And in this video we are going to discuss the 9th one. And I really appreciate your enthusiasm and energy while participating in this DigiThon series of videos. Now without wasting much time, let us get started and see what is our next challenge. In this challenge, friends, you have to design a frequency multiplier to multiply a input clock frequency by 4. And very important thing, to solve this problem, you have to avoid using PLLs or DLLs, which are most commonly used for multiplying a frequency. In this problem statement, you only have to use digital components like flip-flops, delays, buffers, NOT gates, gates, like that. And just for your relaxation, don't worry much about the duty cycle of the clock. This is our frequency multiplier. Input to this is a frequency f, and at its output the frequency should be f into 4. Now you can pause my video here. Try to think of its answer. If you come to know its answer, please write it down in the comment section and we will definitely discuss it there. And I hope that you are enjoying this video series. If you like this video, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.